everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax in Big Bear, and today I'm going to walk you through my new listing, 410 Los Angeles. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street, 410 Los Angeles. We're going to be looking at a 3-bed, 2-bath today, 1309 square foot, just listed for $399. Right up here, you might be able to see the stop sign. That is going to be Barton. So just really close. You can get to Easy's in about like a 2-minute, maybe 30-second drive. And then down here, you would hit the little, the school, the park. You'd have to meander down and then go right. So you'd hit Sugarloaf Park. So here we have a brand new construction next door that actually just listed, but here is going to be the corner lot because it was just marked because of the neighbors. So we do have a partially fenced yard here for puppies, kids, anything of that nature. Our lot size on this one is 5,000, so it is on a double lot. Here we have the other part of the property line, and what's nice about it is it does have like kind of a vacant parcel next door. I'm not entirely sure, maybe the other house owns it, but it is empty, so you're not right on top of people. Some nice oak trees in the front yard, concrete driveway in really good shape. You also have boat or RV parking by going through the gate right here, which is a nice added bonus. So let's go on inside. This one currently is a vacation rental, so we do have rental history to it. It is a log-sided manufactured home as well. And then here's our rental sign right here. So information on who manages it. 8 people can sleep inside, and then of course 1 car per bedroom would make it a 3-car home. So coming up the deck, we do have again that D-log siding, and then we have Trex decking up front. Nice covered porch to be able to kind of sit here and enjoy any kind of rain, snow, things like that. We'll go out the side here in just a second, but let's go inside. Okay, so here we are coming inside the entrance. We have our kitchen dining room off to the left, and we have our living room followed by a hallway, a bedroom, bathroom, laundries. So coming inside, we do have a laminate hardwood flooring. Oh, I did squats at the gym yesterday and that hurt. I hope I recover. So it'd be really cool to add some like tongue and groove ceilings here. Obviously you could mountain it up, but it's really mountainy on the inside too. Pretty open, pretty airy. You've got like different areas where you can, it's not completely blocked off. So coming in, we've got just like a kind of like a pantry closet, whatever you want to store all. And then in the living room or dining room and kitchen, we have that same laminate flooring all throughout. So here we have the dining room, and then our windows are dual pane right here. Nice mountain touches all throughout. It's actually in really good shape for being a rental too. A lot of rentals that you go inside, they've been used and abused, but it's very clean, very cozy, smells good. You can tell it's been loved on. So coming in the kitchen, I'm just gonna kind of back up, pan out really quick. You can see that you could definitely live here. You've got all the appliances that you would need. Dishwasher, our counter is a Formica countertop with a, kind of like a plastic sink, I think. But super clean, lots of counter space, which is wonderful. Cabinets in really good shape. Microwave, stove, oven. Got like a tile backsplash back here too. And it does open up top so that you can hear what's going on in the living room and not have to feel too remote. It does appear, if you wanted to, you could get rid of some of this cabinet space, open it up to the living room, because it doesn't appear that you really have a load-bearing wall right here. Since it's pretty open, as long as you kept this beam, I think you'd probably be fine. So here we are. We're going to transition from laminate hardwood flooring to carpet. Carpet's in pretty good shape here. And all the furniture that you're seeing could come with the property. Nice leather, which is easy, durable for your mountain rental. I like these are cute. Faith, hope, grace. Wonderful words. All right, so coming into further in the living room, we do have our fireplace. It's also where we keep our internet stuff too. I'm looking for a gas starter on here. Very well might not be one, just because it is kind of a newer build in here. And they've actually started, now you have to have electrical fireplaces too. So but it is a beautiful fireplace, more updated stone than a lot of what you see. Does appear to be to code, 18 inches, nice TV up top with a kind of like a mini stone mantle right here. You could still hang stockings. So let's go on down to the hallway. Hallway is rather wide, which is really kind of nice, giving you some elbow room, making it not feel so tight. This is going to be the laundry room right here. I'm going to hit this last just because I want to go to the outside once we go there. We do have the remote thermostat, so you can run the house on remotely, which is kind of nice. This is really a cool thing too, like recommended things to do in Big Bear for your rentals. So here we have bathroom number 1. We're going to kind of go this direction, and then we'll land back at the laundry room. So you go back to that same laminate floor, that same countertop in the kitchen, tile on the edges, tile on the backsplash. Do have a medicine cabinet. Somebody drew kissy faces on it. Toilet. This door goes into the laundry room. They keep it locked just so that people aren't coming in and out while you are showering. Here we have plastic insert, super clean, super clean. Great color scheme too, very mountainy. Now we are going to go into the master bedroom. So nice big vaulted ceilings all throughout the home. We do have central heating here. Nice mirrored closet. Closet is actually really large walk-in. They keep games in here for their renters. You could easily, this looks like it's going to be a queen size bed, but I do think you could probably get slightly bigger in here. You could probably get a king size without seeing too much of a difference. Nice little countertop to have like coffee and stuff would be a good little area for that. You could also chuck this and make it a little office desk area. So here we are coming in, same complimentary bathroom, Formica countertops, bullnose tile, backsplash tile, and then in here we have a jacuzzi tub. Oop, I might be wrong. It's a soaking tub, not a jacuzzi tub. So, nice big soaking tub. I think all 3 of my children could fit in there, but there might be some fighting. Another little area for just your personal items, towels, linens, things like that. Toilet, and we have a shower too. So nice clean insert here as well, with a little room to sit in. And then we're going to go into the first or second bedroom. So here we have a queen over queen bunk bed, or might be double. And then we also have a trundle in here. So several options on what you could put in here. You could keep the bunk sets, but definitely the Airbnb is built out for kids in here for sure. We're gonna come back out in the hallway, and we have another bedroom that looks exactly the same bunk beds, just on the different flip-flopped mirror images of each other. Double or queen. But that's probably where you get your 8 from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're giving you 3 people in here, and 2 people in the master. So here we have the heater, more closet space, which is great if you live here. Washer dryer. And let's go outside. So we do have a doggy door if you're looking for full time. And then back here we've got the deck off the side. Again, D-log siding, kind of like these little bulb lights. Great not looking at a house right here in the lot neighboring you. Trex decking, little bar area right here, and a shed, which is good because if you do have a short-term rental, it's great to keep your stuff in that shed. It's got a great lock on it, great foundation. Not going to get any termites on that thing as long as you keep the dirt away from the wood part of it. So definitely you could zhuzh it up back here, make a little horseshoe pit, maybe bocce ball court, kind of anything. Maybe even utilize this part of the yard right here too. But let me know what you think. $399.9, 1309 square foot. Talk to you soon. Bye.